Now counting, easier said than done. And once you begin to think in different base number systems, you will not need this reference, but I'm just going to make a little reference to remind us that in a base 6 system, I have my, not my 6's place, not yet in any case, I have my 1's place, just like I do in any base number system. And then I have my 6's place, and then I have my 36's place, and my 2/16s. We don't have to go that high in this case, but the other thing you have to think about, or have to be sort of thinking as you're working through these problems, is what's the max digit? In a base 6 system, the max digit is 5. You can have 5 1s, but if you have 6 1s, then you have 1 6 and 0 1s. So if I'm counting from 10 to 19 in base 6, and I'll use the subscript to remind us that we are using base 6, I think I'll make a column. 10 would be 4 1s and 1 6 would be 10. I can't go above 5. So as soon as I get to 6, I need to have 1 6 and 0 1s, but 10 would be 1 6 and 4 1s. 11 would be, I should probably, let me do this. Didn't space them perfectly, but I think we'll be okay. All right, 11 would be, well, I can have one more 1 in a base 6 system. I can go as high as 5. But as soon as I need 12, I can't go one more. I need to carry a 1. So I go from 15 to what looks like, to us, it looks like 20. But really what it is 0 1s and 2 6s. If I have 13, I have 2 6s and 1 1. That's 12 and 1 is 13. 14 would be 2 6s and 2 1s. 15 would be 2 6s and 3 1s. You see how it starts to look like counting in base 10? You can continue that pattern. You just have to slow your roll when you get to 5. 2 4 2 5. All right, now I need to pause and think. I can't go one higher because then I get to 6. All right, so then I get 3 6s and 0 1s. That's 18, right? 3 6s is 18 plus 0 1s, and then 19 would be 3 1. You actually can get pretty fast at this with practice and with exposure to these types of problems. That's one of the things Mathletics is for. Although even in Mathletics, even in competitive mathematics, this doesn't come up that often, but I think frequently enough that you start to get some comfort level with it. I wouldn't expect almost anybody to have any comfort level with this right now. So if you're struggling, just know that you're supposed to be struggling. But there's growth and value in that struggle.